Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me. This is Dr. Jocelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm just doing one of the things that I love, which is gardening. And in my yard of my new house, I've seen a lot of snakes in the past 7 months. So I've been researching on things I can do to get rid of snakes, besides kill them. Marigolds was one of the things, or one of the plants that you can have in your yard to help keep snakes away. So I actually ordered some marigold seeds and I planted the seeds about 4 days ago, and this is the result of some of the seeds. And then here are some others, here and here, because I'm going to place these strategically in different areas of my yard. So that's why I have different pots. And then I have some more marigolds over here, which got really wet from all of the rain that we've had in the past few days. So I may have to put more seeds in here. So I just wanted to show you that I planted some marigolds, and in less than a week, they're already growing. Also, I want to show you my poinsettias that I bought in December of 2021. This is one of my poinsettias. Look at how big it is. I have changed the pot 3 times now. I'm gonna have to change it again because it's such a huge plant, and that's not the only one. Here's number 2. So this is what they look like at the entryway of the house. So that's what I have. And then here is a poinsettia that I'm growing. I've been growing this for about 5 months now. This stem actually broke off one of these poinsettias, and I just took the stem and put it in some dirt. And let me move it so you can actually see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Here, that way you can see it. So it was just a stick, just a stem, but you can see all the leaves are on it. We've got one big red leaf here and a little red leaf on the other side, and lots of green leaves. So it's actually growing into another poinsettia, and we'll just see how big it gets. Anyway, I just wanted to show you one of my hobbies, which is planting, gardening. I love gardening. Those are my mint plants that I've had for over a year now, and they're still thriving. And my fern plant that I've had over a year now, it's thriving. And yeah, and then this one I've also had over a year, and it looks absolutely amazing. This is lavender. I forget where I bought it because I've had it for so long now, but it's doing extremely well. But yeah, so these are my plants.